Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I recently just posted a post saying, write down all your ideas. Now, the reason why I put down that post was because I had this idea for a quote or a post I'm trying to put up on my Instagram, and I told myself that I would write it down, or it was easy enough that I didn't need to write it down. And I had this conversation in my head saying, like, part of me was saying write it down, the other part of me was like, nah, it's too easy, you'll remember it tomorrow. So that post was actually created because I couldn't think of the idea, I couldn't think of what the subject was that I wanted to post. But this video is about writing down your ideas. Writing down your ideas is one of the best ways you can stay inspired. Doesn't matter if it's going to be something that's going to be used later on in life or something that you're going to use the day after. Some of the ideas and the inspirations and some of my designs were actually all created from ideas that I wrote down or I typed out or I took a photo of. One of the things I've learned is to always keep a dump folder. So if you guys don't know what a dump folder is, a dump folder is something that you put photographs, you put quotes in, you put down all your ideas that you've heard or seen in this folder. And you don't necessarily have to look back at it all the time, but sometimes when you have creator's block or a creative block, one of the best things you can do is go into your dump folder. Some of the ideas that I've had with some of the clothing that I've done or some of the designs I've done, some of them were ideas that I had from maybe 5 years ago. And because I had this dump folder, I was actually able to use that folder to help me come up with inspiration and come up with a design or a theme for what I was coming out in that season. So one tip I can give you guys, for anyone that's designing, creating, or you guys are stuck in a mental block, is always have a dump folder with you. Again, it could be anywhere. It could be on your computer. I have multiple. I have kind of like a diary that I use, and I have my computer. I have a whole bunch of hard drives and my cell phone. Best thing to also use is cloud documents. So if you have a Box app or Dropbox, the best thing to use are those because they transfer from computer to device to device to device. So yeah, just a small tip for you guys. Thank you for checking out this video. And just like that, I just showed you guys a little bit of my dump video that I had. I recorded that was my rehearsal video just to make sure I keep my ideas for an official video, but I decided I liked the rehearsal video better, that I decided to use that for the final video. So again, you guys just checked out my iPad of me talking about my week and something that I went through. Always remember to write down your ideas, type them out, send yourself an email if you need to, just to keep it, in circulation and to help you remember things that you possibly could forget. Thank you again for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. If you're on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at by.myles, on Twitter at bymyles, and on Facebook, facebook.com/bymyles. Until then, I'll catch you at the next video. Peace.